What is up, everyone? This is Jim, and today we're going to be looking at this gacha here. I got this in the mail, like the other day actually, Saturday. I apologize, I'm actually doing this unboxing in a box because I'm in between my areas right now. It's been a while since I've done anything, but I got this as a bit of a project to experiment with. This is actually a Gacha-nen kit that I got from eBay, as I said before in the beginning. It's from Maschinen Kaiser, I think that's how you pronounce it. I just know it's Make. This is one of those Gacha-nen kits that they sell. I've already taken it out of the bag and reopened this, but I'll show you how it comes out. You open up the top right here, and here's all the sprues and whatnot. Starting from here, you got the legs with some panels, some arm parts, parts for the head here. I'm doing it on the wrong side. This camera's right here. I'm gonna use my phone for this, but more panel parts and from covers, thruster parts, and more armor parts and hosing, feet parts, and looks like part of a leg, I guess. Leg parts, yeah. And we get more armor parts here for shoulders and whatnot. And the two halves of the body here. And a little display base that can actually connect to the top of one of these. I think it's this one here. Nope, it's the other one that I have everything else on. But let's see. Okay, give me a second here. There we go. So it pretty much connects to the top like that. Like a little display base or little helping tool for painting and whatnot. The two extra things that you get are the pretty wrinkled up water slide decals here. Actually very nice ones too. I'm actually liking the Warthog ones there, but we'll see. And then you get the instructions here, which actually the one I got is the Fireball SG, and this is the SAFS space type version. But here's like the little pamphlet that you come with, and on the other side is your build instructions. It's like very quick build of a kit. But I've never built one of these before, and I've never painted one of these before, so I plan to do some, I actually plan to do something to this that I've never done before, like a little bit more weathering than one of my old kits I did terrible at, but pretty simple for what you get. I mean, this is all the parts that come with it. These weren't, if you're wondering, these two were not on the sprue. They actually were just like this out of the capsule. Like, you take them out of the bag and that's it. And you can tell they're blue, but I'll be changing that color soon. But yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. I'm probably going to be doing work in progress videos on my Facebook soon for this, because it shouldn't take me more than like a day or two to or just a couple of days of painting and weathering to take care of this, but we'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.